In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color background to your level in Geodash. You can see right here, I'm on the home screen. When you go to the builder icon, I'm just going to create a level. You can do this one with already a level that you've created. But once you've actually done this, you can see right here, you can actually click on the builder icon and you can go to this color option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And then you can basically just click on this color thing right here. In doing so, you can actually just tap this on wherever you want it to change color. And basically you can click on the edit object option on the right side of the screen right here. And once you do this, you can choose the color you want it to change. In this case, I'm going to do red. And you can actually change the fade time if you want it to take 10 seconds to become this dark red color, or 0 seconds. It'll change automatically. In this case, I'm going to do like 4 seconds or something. And once you've done that, you want to click on the color ID plus icon right next to it. In doing so, you want to select the background option, and this will actually make the background change color. And you click on OK. You can see when we scroll to the side, it'll change red. You can do this multiple times just by adding another object. Same thing, you can change the color, edit object, choose your color, and choose your fade time, and then click on OK. And it'll change the color only once you click on edit object, color ID, and choose that for the background like so. And yeah, it's basically all you need to do to change the color in Geodash. If you found this helpful, consider liking and subscribing down below. Have a great day.